Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you guys doing today? No day for me is a cheat day. I don't believe in cheat days, but if you made little changes in your choices and your ingredients as well, then you can have yummy things but also still be very healthy. So guys, today I'm here with a brand new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you one of my most favorite thing, which is Chana Chat or Chickpeas Salad, which is extremely healthy, very nutritious, and very helpful to improve our immune system, as they are so important in now COVID-19 situation. Because I can't control anything in my life, but I can control what I put in my body. So guys, let's start to make chickpeas without wasting our time. So first of all, I have chickpeas. These are about 1 cup. I soaked them for 24 hours and boiled them. Now I'm adding chickpeas in my mixing bowl. Chickpeas are very healthy and they are high in protein as well. So here I have tomatoes. Tomatoes are amazing, and onions, which I cut them in cubes. These are about 1 tomato and 2 onions. I'm adding them in my bowl as well. So here I have cucumber. These are about 2 cucumbers. I cut them in cubes as well. I'm adding them in my bowl. So the most important and the most different ingredients in my salad is peach. I have 2 peach and I cut them into cubes as well. Here the peach goes in bowl. Now I'm mixing them well. Here I'm adding some coriander leaves, some fresh coriander leaves in it. I'm mixing them well. Now it's time to add some spices. First I'm gonna add salt, about 1/4 table. You can add as you taste. Now I'm gonna add some black pepper. You can add as you taste. I add about 1/4 tablespoon, mixing them well. Guys, remember, it's so quick and so delicious and also very healthy. So I'm adding crushed and fried cumin seed. It tastes so good. You can check, it's so colorful. It's looking so beautiful. As measure as we are lacking colors in our life nowadays due to this current situation. Everyone likes colors, so salad is so colorful. So our last step is adding a lemon, 1 of lemon in it. So here goes a lemon. It's very good for our health. If you are on dieting, you can use this. It has all the ingredients which are so good for our immune system. So I add 1 lemon and I'm mixing them well. Make sure all the ingredients are nicely mixed. So I'm adding some chaat masala in it. If you don't like chaat masala, you can skip it. Just a pinch of chaat masala. As I don't like so much spicy food, so I'm just adding a pinch of chaat masala. So our last ingredient is yogurt, which I mixed some mint leaves and some green chilies in it. I love green chilies most as they are rich in vitamin C. So mixing them well. I hope so. It's looking so delicious. Actually, it is so delicious. So I have done Our chickpea salad is ready. Now I'm going to put it into my serving bowl. Here I have a serving bowl. I'm adding our salad in it. I hope so guys you like my video, and if you like my video then please make sure to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for the more yummiest videos. So this is all for today guys. So guys, our chana chaat, our chickpea salad is ready. I'm adding some more black pepper on the top of the salad. So I'm ending my video with a message that it is the health that is the real wealth and not piece of gold and silver. So make sure to eat healthy, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.